Barplots for comparing numerical variables. In this video, I am going to be showing how to create barplots for comparing values of numerical variables. To do this, I am going to use this student survey dataset. I will compare the means of the numerical variables hours of sleep and hours of TV from this dataset. To create a barplot in Rguroo, select the Plots toolbox on the left-hand side of the Rguroo window. The toolbox contains a Create Plot drop-down menu. Select the Barplot option. This opens the Barplot dialog box, which contains two tabs, a numerical tab and a categorical tab. For this video, we will only be focusing on barplots for numerical variables. I will now select the student survey dataset. I am going to select the variables hours of sleep and hours of TV from this list by dragging them to the selected menu. I want to compare their means, so I'll make sure that that function mean is selected from the function drop-down menu. As you can see, there is also a sum function. I would have used this choice if I were to compare the sum of hours of sleep and hours of TV for all participants. I will use the mean option since I want to compare the means here. I am also going to name my barplot. I will call it means of hours of sleep and hours of TV, and label the y-axis, amount of time in hours. Lastly, I will check the confidence bar checkbox to add a 95% confidence bar to each one of the bars. Let's preview this plot. You can see how the height of each bar represents the mean hours of sleep and mean hours of TV watched. Also, the two confidence bars indicate 95% confidence intervals for the means. Now, if we uncheck the confidence bars and check Add Value Labels, then click Preview, we can see that the values corresponding to each bar appear. You can customize this plot by clicking on the Details button. This will open up the Details menu. There are a plethora of options here to make your desired bar plot. In particular, in the first section titled Bars, Value Labels, Error Bars, you can change many options. For example, we can magnify the value labels and say change the color to red. Then click Preview. We will cover this Details menu in another video. Meanwhile, have fun playing with the details.